Let's see if we can get folks back. All right, now I need to go back and make sure I've got everything set up. Property, yeah, it's still there. Everything's working. All right. I'm in. It's up and running. Hey, Legacy. Thank you, sir. I guess I'm hoping everybody realized that OBS crashed on me.
Let's see. I'm getting back here. Let's see. All messages. Okay, I'm back. Legacy's back. Bob's back. Now we just need the rest of everybody.
There you go. And John said he'd be here in a few.
Yep, John's on his way.
All right. Well, then you don't need me to end the stream because he can end the stream.
Oh, can he?
Yeah.
Can he do so from the mountains of Colorado?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's the question.
Yeah. It's not an OBS thing. It's a YouTube thing.
Gotcha.
So he can get into the analytics and kill it from there. Hey, Casey. No, we just had we had technical difficulties beyond our control. But we got back in. So we get to start the like button counter all over again. Somebody's going to say, yeah, we were up to 50. So there you go. We already have 8 people back and we have 4 likes.
All right.
So there you go. 5 likes. Dude. Welcome back, everybody. Just in time for me to leave. Now that's dedication.
Okay, so my charts are calculating. Let's see what we get here.
Man, it's been so long. I got to remember how to hook you up.
Yeah, exactly. That's what we're going to need to test here. Okay, so is everything done calculating? Okay, what's your current price? 572? 570? Let's see.
Yeah, 572.
All right, it's moving. Let's see. Let me move that out of the way. Let me see if I can remember how to share my screen. It's been a while. Right?
Oh, man.
Okay. Let me fix this. We don't want that.
Hey, Johnny, what's happening, brother? Okay, I need to go to video and make sure. All right. I'm going to move this over here. So I got it handy and I don't have to break my neck looking at it.
Okay, I'm going to try to share my screen. Let's see.
All right.
Okay, you should have that now in in video.
I do. And it looks like it's pretty good there, Jesse. Let me see if I can get you a little bit better aligned.
What's going on here? Are we doing surgery or what?
Yeah, we're doing a little bit of surgery right now.
What's up, John? We're trying to get Jesse's charts shared for the first time in a long time here.
Having to refactor some stuff.
Yeah.
It happens.
Really close. Let me switch over to that mode. And we can just drop it down there.
Come on.
All right.
Short again for the 1600th time tonight.
So I think that if I drop that down there, I dropped that one down there. You can't see me. John, you're not going to want to share your screens too, are you?
Hell no.
Okay.
T-Coop, that's because I'm working off of AirPods, and it is what it is. I don't have the fancy-ass headset this week.
Oh, did you leave that behind also?
I did.
I thought he left them here. But then I looked over there tonight, and they is gone. And I was like, uh-oh. Hopefully he took them with him.
I have a face for radio, though, and apparently my voice is not for radio. Guess I'm just screwed.
All right. I'm going to try something here just to clean this up a little bit.
Oh, it's Dr. M. Dude, Doom and Duke Nukem. Two of the best games ever produced.
Dr. M, did you read his message above? I'm a hot chick with stock picks for you.
Baby, I'm opening my chart.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Let's see.
Okay. I think I got it to where it looks okay. So let's flip this over and see if I can get you live. Is it live or is it?
Yeah, I see it up
memorized?
there.
It's
Yeah.
already live, dude. Everything you've been doing is.
Oh, okay. I didn't realize I had transitioned it in. All right, cool.
Yep.
All right, Jesse, you got the helm.
Oh boy. Don't do anything stupid.
I can shut it down too, Bob, if I need to.
That's what I was telling Jesse. So
When we call it a night, I'll shut her down.
I appreciate that.
Close the bar.
Please. And because I'm going to bed. Call
Probably
me
drinking out of booze first, though.
I
Huh?
ain't mopping any damn floors, Bob. You're gonna have to do that in the morning. John will run the dishwasher, but that's about it.
There you go. All right,
John
guys.
doesn't do that. Bob can attest to it.
All right, guys.
Damn it.
I will
Yep.
see you all tomorrow.
All right, buddy.
Take
Good
care,
night.
Bob.
Let me know if you have any technical difficulties because I'll be, downstairs, John.
Yeah, we'll text you.
All right, man. Thanks. We'll see you all
All
tomorrow.
right, see you, buddy.
Bye, everybody.
So, Jesse, I'll make the admission now. Yesterday was carnage around here.
Oh, for trading wise?
Oh, yeah, carnage.
Oh, for me, it was today, this morning. Unbelievable. I didn't tell my story yet, so when we get to it, remind me. I got a jolt story for everybody. That
Perfect.
might jolt you.
Yeah, yesterday was carnage for me.
Oh, bummer.
It was that story of, I've been trading micros and making my money and calling it a day. And it's like, I'm feeling good, feeling confident. We're going to step it up, take a couple minis this morning, take one trade and get out of the way.
Oh, boy.
Oh. Take the trade, press go, and clearly my data was behind. Boom, stop.
Oh.
Take another trade. Stop order doesn't enter, so I'm naked in the trade now. Yeah. 80 ticks later, I finally get it to stop on all my accounts. That was fun. Yeah, it was a rough one.
Darn it.
Yeah, I had 3 consecutive just ball busters of trades. Before I knew it, I was $1,000 down. And licking my wounds. Luckily, I didn't save a couple evals, but I saved all my PAs. And today was a new day. And I got it all back today.
All right. Good.
Moral of the story is, there is no good moral. Just don't be a moron like I am. Check your times.
Oh, yay.
So give me the Jolt story. I'm good for story time.
Okay, so for some reason, my dumbass thought Jolts was tomorrow. So I was trading this morning like nothing, like nothing was gonna happen. I was sitting there in a long, taking a little bit of heat, but I felt pretty good about it. Channels were tilting up, and then 10 o'clock hits, and I swear to God, remember everybody, I trade the
Harmonic
sixes
NQ on
now,
the
not
3.
even the threes. Okay, I was on the sixes, and I've never seen anything that fast in my life. I said, "What the?" I mean, I was a little more, little more, I don't know, PG-13 rated than that, but that was ripping all over the place faster than I've ever seen him ever. It was crazy. And then I
Yeah, that was a
immediately,
quick whipsaw this morning. That was for sure.
oh my God, I immediately went, oh, jolts. I thought I was like a day behind. I don't know what I was thinking, but like a dumbass, I had my stops like way down, and I had my targets way up. I was going for a bigger, longer play throughout throughout the mid-morning. Well, it ripped way down there, and boom, out. Had to reset my accounts today. Unbelievable. And I can't remember how many contracts I had on, but it wasn't one. I think it was 4. Yeah. Yep. That's what I get from messing around. And the problem is I slept in a little bit this morning. I woke up at 6:41 instead of my normal 5:45. So I'm 3 hours behind Eastern, so that would have been. So anyways, I was late to the game. Didn't watch my market prep video stuff. Didn't tune into anybody. I just got right into it. No coffee yet. Looked at the chart, said, "Ooh, we're tilted up. Let's go." I think I had a couple winning trades, small ones. Put my toe in the water, and then started building into that big one where I was going for a big target way up above us. And yeah, Jolt's had other ideas. So it went down, blew my accounts, and then
went ripping up.
Yeah, way up. It would have hit my original targets too. So, but that's okay. I reset the accounts and watched it for a while. That cost me $500 or $100 to reset on Take Profit Trader, and then watched for a while. Went and blew off some steam. Walked around the house cussing, yelling at myself, and then got back right back to it and did $1,900, I think, across all those accounts and called it good.
Smart move.
But that's my Jolts story. Can't believe it. I cannot believe it.
Yeah, it's kind of funny how you can, like, yesterday I lose. I mean, I was down $1,000 in minis, and today I made 1,000 in micros. I don't understand it. It's so silly.
Well, that's pretty damn impressive to do on micros.
Such an idiot. But admittedly, I mean, I set my trades up and I just had to let them go. I had my little market analysis done. I knew what I had in targets. I got my entry sign and I took it.
Ooh, there's a little rip right here on NQ. Oh, look at that. Ooh, jeez. It's going.
Yeah, of course. I'm short again.
Epic says, I got wrecked on 4 accounts on that rip up after 10 a.m. Yeah, so Epic, it got you in the opposite direction that it got me. That's a bummer, man. Sorry to hear it.
Oh, boy.
Cooper said he was in a trade in 2001 when the ES moved 80 points in 1 minute. Wow. Wow, that's crazy.
That sounds brutal.
Yeah. All right, so these channels are not in alignment, so I'm sitting out of this for now.
Well, I have 2 options. Neither one of them are really good at this very moment. Oh, I guess I should have zoomed into the chart and I could have seen where I was at. Oh, boy. Johnny, what were you thinking here? When in doubt, close it out, right?
Well, we just got that pink AO. Are you in minis or micros?
I'm in micros.
I say add to it. We're at the top of the channels, got a pink AO, might drop out.
J-hook short though. Yeah, but that's a 9-7. I don't subscribe to the. Yeah, not what I'm looking for.
Who asked that? Eric. Yes, Eric. The bigger charts, the bars are bigger. That is true. Yep. Same for me. Epic says, do you see the Titanic zone on your threes? I do see those, but they're kind of far apart. For me, anyway.
They're much further apart than I would want to play them, I can tell you that.
Yeah. You can see I have my bars kind of scrunched up, right? So if I were to stretch this out, look how far away those guys are. Whoops. They're pretty far apart. I mean, it might still work out. We'll see. Actually, let me stretch this out how I want it to look. Let me move this guy. There we go. Now we can see a little more. Yeah, they're kind of far apart there. Eric. Hey, Eric. By the way, Eric, good to see you. Kevin, good to see you.
All right. Just get some of it back.
That was one heck of a rip right there off the bottom of the channels. Man, oh man. Look at, if you guys are looking at the nines, look at this. Bounced right off the channel there. Rip. Man, oh man.
All right, what do we have? Oh boy, I have to close this out. Something's way wrong. How did I go from up? I apparently must have had a trade on this entire time.
Really?
Yeah, I'm way down. And didn't realize it. Not a good headspace to be in.
No. Because if I know you now, you're going to want to go investigating when and where you got into that and how that happened. So you don't want to be doing that while you're in an active trade, trying to manage a short while we're ripping up.
No, I've already. Yeah, this is.
Yeah.
Orders filled. Close it out. Let's see what the hell's going on.
There you go.
Yeah, somehow I'm down $130, and I was up minutes ago. So. Let's just get back to the basics for a minute. All right, so value area high, is it there? I need to look at the weekly. Let's see. Yeah, we do have that structure breakdown point still above us. That's what I was looking at. So basically 844-ish. Does that get cleaned up? I want to think that gets cleaned up.
Repeat the ish for me. Sorry.
844-ish.
Whoa.
I think I'm zoom. I don't know if I can zoom in.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
See if I got that. I can't fix it. I'm gonna try to get close to it, just rough. 840-ish. It's about as close as I can see on this chart right now. Yeah, 840.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
I gotta think that gets cleaned up. I think that's from Friday. Yeah, last Friday, the dropout last Friday.
How many days do you think it takes to get back up there?
I don't know.
I guess it kind of
I don't
depends
know.
on what happens tomorrow.
Yeah, definitely. Boy, a lot of sellers right there. I'm just sitting looking at your time and sales.
Yeah.
It's a lot of channel players is what that is.
Yeah. Yeah. I sound like the Canadian stuff we were doing last night.
What's that?
Oh, did you hear us on the stream? We were talking about Michigan and Minnesota and Canada. And I had been watching an episode of Freddie and Juan's Mine Rescue.
Right.
And they were in Canada. And so the group of guys, they were all just standing around going, yeah, 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 after every sentence. I was trying
That's
to do
funny.
trying to do a Canadian impression, and I suck at it, but
Oh boy. No, see. Screwed up all kinds of stuff there. So what's the plan for tomorrow, fellas?
holy
Tell
cow,
me
Jeff.
somebody's got a good plan.
Yeah, what is the plan? Sit out. Jeff's got 5 300K accounts. Woo, man. You betcha. Coop. You betcha. Hey, Jeff, those 300Ks, who's that with? Is that Apex? Just curious. Yeah, my plan is to sit out as much as possible, John.
Harmonic
I
NQ
don't.
on the
I
3.
mean, this is a first, right? I've never traded through what tomorrow is about to happen, so many of
Enigma
us
short
probably
on the
haven't.
NQ3.
Ooh, look at that Enigma short, top of the channels. Oh, but we're green over here. Nah. I'm gonna hang tight for a moment.
I'm gonna go on mute real quick.
Okay. Apex. Okay. Good job, Jeff. Finding Ultra. How do you use the Enigma for trade entries? Well, you could just take them by themselves. They've got a lot of confluence built into them already. Let's see. I currently have mine set to level 1. So that's still multi-confluence, but it's the lowest of the 4 levels. I could have had the bot turned on and it would have taken that trade for me, but I filter them out based on these channels. So channels
Which
are
you
red
would not
here.
have filtered that one.
Yeah, channels are red here. Channels are green here. So I'm sitting that one out, but look, it hit its target, that blue dash line. So it hit its target pretty quick. But I chose not to take that. Whoa, look at that. I chose not to take that one. I probably should have. Jeez Louise. Nice trade. Nice trade.
Well, I mean, you are working off of the red dot on the MACV.
Yeah, we did get that fib dot over here too. But
Yeah,
and we were in that upper portion.
upper third there.
Yeah, I just personally, I don't trade against the channel on the bigger bars, so it's green. I'm only looking for long. So now that we're down in here, right? I'll start looking for a long signal at some point. Right, so if we're gonna make a lower or a higher low, it should probably be somewhere right in this area. Somewhere right in this area. I mean, if she gives me an Enigma long, I'll take it. Or a cross or any kind of order flow event. All right, looking for longs. In fact, why are these channels? I haven't had this workspace open for so long. Let me see what's up with these channels here. What do I have these set to? Channel regulator is 300. Yeah, I need to shrink that down to 200. And this one also. I was wondering why they were so big. There we go. They're either going to be flat or green. Okay, they're green. Oh, there's my cross. I'm going to take a long. I'm going to take a long. And I'm on my big trail. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention to the ATM. I'll just close that ATM. I'm going to manage this trade closely. There we go. That's a super AO, right? Because we got the double delta
Yep.
plus the AO in the bottom of the channels. Now we're not quite down. You know what? I don't like those channels. What? My settings are. I haven't been on this workspace in a long time, folks. So bear with me. Let me see. What are my channels set to? 4 and 1. Ah, there's the issue. It's supposed to be 2. All right, let me fix that. I'm going to come over here and fix this other chart too, actually. There we go. That's better. All right, so let me do the same over here. So 4 and 2. And all right, now, so we didn't quite, we kind of wicked down into that kind of lower 25 percentile there, but I'm comfortable with that entry. Let's see what happens. See how she works out. I mean, you guys can kind of see we've been range bound here, right? I mean, I'm not expecting a gigantic move, but I'm going to target probably the right up here. Unless, so if this trade works and we've made a higher high right here, then I would expect to make, I'm sorry, if we made a higher low right here, I would expect to make at least an equivalent or higher high. So maybe we might make our way up towards the open, which is this yellow dashed line up here. So let's see. I mean, you can see over here, we've been making higher highs and higher lows. For the most part, this was a lower low, but still in an upwards trajectory here overall. We'll see. We will see.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm trading against you on this one.
Are you?
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Well, let me get my Enigma out of the way here so we can see more of the chart. You trading against me, huh? Well, there is quite a bit more space down in the lower channel over here on the 9s, so I may take some heat, may have to kill it, but let's see.
I should have already killed this though.
Let's see how it works here. Hey, Andrew, good to see you.
Because it should have. I Yeah, it's just a terrible trade on my part.
Well, where'd you get short from? The that blue line?
Basically middle of the cross. I should have already stopped it out.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, that's the other thing. That cross could have been a continuation too, but I liked the place where we were at in the channels at the time. So
Right.
and we had that double delta there, so we'll give it a shot. Plus, it's pretty exciting to be sharing my charts on Bob's stream there again with you guys. So I feel like I need to trade. Probably not good to do that, but all right. Reloading the Zen. Here we go.
Let's go.
Did you reload the Rogue?
Oh, dude, I don't have to reload. It's always loaded.
Oh, so now it's gonna drop out for you there, John, after you close it. Or did you not close it?
I said I should have closed it.
Oh,
I said I should have.
There you go.
I didn't.
There you go. You're a green. Oh, you're a green.
Oh yeah, I'm green now.
That's funny because I'm used to trading the sixes over the last, I don't know, like a month. I think I made that transition ago.
Yeah.
And so now I switched workspaces, the one that fits into Bob's streaming software, and it's got the threes on it. It's got the threes, and so I'm not used to seeing. So I got real scared when it dropped that far away from my entry, and then I saw that it was only $75. I said, "Oh, that's okay." On the 12s or on the sixes, that would have been like $200-300.
Yep. Yeah.
Funny. Well, we still didn't. Even with that move right there, we still didn't. By the way, did you close that out, or are you still holding it?
Hold on. Let me get over to that screen.
I'm still
holding it.
Okay, we still didn't dip down into the channels on the nines over here. Huh. Buyers are kind of defending that level.
We're trying.
I like this big butterfly.
I am pushing a target out.
We've got a pretty big butterfly forming up above us here.
Do we?
Let's go.
I'm watching thunder snow happen right now. I'm a little distracted.
Jeez,
Let's go. All right. Come on.
There's your dropout.
Keep dropping.
So now we're getting into the bottom of the channels over here, which is what I should have waited for on that entry. But that's okay. I'll add to it. I'll add one to it here in a moment.
Yep. All right, I peel one off.
Ooh, it's kind of moving quick.
Snapping around a little bit.
Yeah.
I still have one short. Let's see if I can hold it all the way to target. And target's a little ways away though. 120 ticks south.
What are you targeting? Are you targeting the low?
Value area high.
Oh, gotcha.
I'm targeting below that. So
Below
I'm targeting value area high from yesterday. I'll give you that number. I'm front running it a little bit, but let's see if I can get the. Don't like to hear the sound of that. Damn it. Buyers stepping in. Oh, well.
Well, you peeled one off, though, so that's good.
Yeah, I peeled one off in profit, so. Target of 546.75. Like I said, I'm front running it at 50. It's not going to work, though. I'm gonna have to get out of here at break even here soon.
I'm gonna target right up here. Pull this down to here.
Dead. Hate when a plan doesn't work out.
You and me both, brother.
Price action is brutal tonight.
Yeah, it's kind of whippy.
Thought for sure.
It kind of comes and goes in spurts.
Yeah. This has me worried we might rip one way or the other. Won't lie. Dr. M, you are not wrong. Algobox
Yeah.
does say short's favorable, which means we are below the opening line.
Yeah,
So,
and we're still playing off of that red Enigma, which is a pretty good one.
although you already got the opposing signal at that.
That's right, that AO.
That AO was your opposing signal. Get the hell out of the way.
The super AO.
Yep. The thing is, I don't mind. I mean, I'll close this position up before we get off the stream, that's for sure. I might just, hold it a little while longer.
Yeah, it's kind of dropping out again there.
Trying, but it's not really making any real ground.
No.
Not the type of ground I want it to make, I know that much.
Uh-huh.
This also means I'm just going to put my stop in profit. It's probably going to stop me out, but what's the spread tonight? Normal spread, okay.
4 ticks right now. Looks
Yeah,
like.
it's fine.
Yeah. Legacy says I miss Forex.
Well, the market's still there. All right. That was more sellers. More sellers. Come on, drop out. If it stops me out, it's still profit. Stop filled. Oh well. Made a little bit back on that one. Just too close. We are just bouncing around.
Yeah, it's probably going to drop down to the bottom of the channels on the 9s and then rip back up. That's what I'm thinking. So I was way early to this trade. But if we get down there, I'll just add one to it. And then hopefully mosey on up to the top of the channels. Do a little meander through the woods there.
Sometimes you have to. We're definitely kind of flagging here, right? Does anybody else read it that same way?
Yeah, on the bigger bars, certainly. Yeah, Legacy, I don't disagree with that.
London's going to be something. What that something is, we'll find out soon enough. But if this price action continues, Johnny's not going to see London, that's for sure. I'm about done.
Okay, so now we're pushing up a little bit. Can we get up there and maybe get at least somewhere close to my target, please?
Anybody have any idea what volume's doing? If there is any volume?
Not much.
Until we get a big, massive push.
Legacy's still messing with the London the London code. Or no, what do you call that? Not a code, a
Nightbot command?
a command. There you go. The London command.
Legacy our London days are there. Man, they seem so long ago. Back when we used to trade for like 8-9 hours in a stream.
Yeah.
I remember the days of literally starting at the Asian Open and running clean into New York's Open.
Yeah. Back when we were being irresponsible.
Oh, those were the days.
Irresponsible to our careers.
Irresponsible to the careers, irresponsible to my accounts.
Wait a minute, hold on. So, hey Casey, good to see you, bud. Welcome back. Jeff says almost 29K so far since the open. What do you mean by that, Jeff? You're up 29K? Oh, he's talking volume. 29,000 in volume.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Oh, Casey says I've been here. Okay, sorry, bud. Sorry. I thought you just now figured out that Bob's stream crashed, so we had to start a new one. Because you haven't been typing. Must have nodded off. Wouldn't that be funny if your forehead hit your keyboard and it put you in a trade and then you were up 10 grand when you woke up?
Me and Bob's cats tried to take a couple trades for him.
Yeah.
If I remember right, his cat has a better record than all of us combined.
What's up, Chris? Good to see you.
Wait a second, which Chris?
Chris Ashcraft.
Oh, it's Ashcraft. Mr. Ashcraft. There we go. The prop firm killer himself.
The killer.
He was murdering those guys there for a while. I don't know if he still is. He probably still is. He's a consistent guy. Voter ID approved in Wisconsin. Perfect.
Hey, by the way, Missile, there you go. I can see your chat there. It's fixed. I don't know what fixed it, but you're back in the game there, Missile. Legacy. Oh, boy.
Those were the days when the Asian session actually moved.
Wow, Jeff, what a story.
We'll just go to 550.
No, Casey, I think you misunderstood. I think Missile's saying that voter ID approved in Wisconsin, meaning it's required now in Wisconsin. Is that what you meant, Missile? If that's the case, that would be on the right side of history there, Case, in my opinion, anyways. Oh, the trade was in gold there, Jeff? Wow. Oh, the fact that it's even a thing in Casey, there's plenty of states where that has to be a thing. You guys, you should check out, there's a YouTube channel if anybody's interested in the kind of inner workings of California. This is entertaining. There's a YouTube channel called California Insider, and I love the guy who runs it. Anyways, there's an interview from a couple days ago with a mom whose child was being transitioned or being pressured into or supported to transition her identity or her body in a public school, from a public school. And anyways, I don't want to give away the whole interview, but it's incredible. And I remember sitting there thinking to myself, you got to be kidding me that we're even having to have this conversation is unbelievable. You guys got to check it out. It's nuts. You won't believe what this poor mom has been through. Unbelievable. Puts that voter ID thing to shame. Yeah. Anyhow, it's a good YouTube channel if you guys want to show the guy some love. I don't know how to... His name is Semi Karami. He's a different nationality. I don't know. I don't know. Indian, Pakistani, something like that, maybe. Maybe I'm way off. Maybe I'm way off. I don't know. Legacy. Oh boy. You guys are nuts. Dude, I'm pretty sure you can do an OnlyFans as a dude. Oh,
that's how Casey makes his money.
That's how Casey. That's Casey's side hustle with them glutes. Well, this is trying to push up there. Let's see.
I mean, if you want to link to it, I'm all about supporting members of the community here. We can post in the Discord, Casey, if you'd like. He gets paid. Why do I feel like...
Hey, Cooper, Legacy, Cooper's showing you some love there, buddy. Giving you some support. There are people in that group. that would love to check out a gorilla or a Neanderthal. Hilarious. Hilarious.
Oh boy,
What's going on?
it's getting late.
Yeah, it's 8 o'clock for me, 9 o'clock for you. Ooh, it's ripping. Oh, I better start paying attention. Let me get my hands on the hotkeys here. That is true, Casey.
Harmonic NQ
We
on the 3.
owe it all to you guys. You make it fun. Or are you talking about the group that that Cooper was mentioning? I'm sure they have their fun too. All right, so I'm up $60. Come on. Give me another rip. I mean, it pierced that red dot. I've been hanging on to this trade for
You're about to
far
get it.
too long. Ah, about to get a rip, you think?
You're about to get it.
All right. Let's see. As it's dropping out on me again. Cooper wants to know, John, if you've ever golfed in Myrtle Beach.
I have barefoot landing.
Well, there you go, Coop. Casey says we all need to meet up sometime. Yep, I'm all for it.
I'm game.
But we are all spread out across the country, so that'll be difficult to pick a spot. I say, oh shoot, I just had a friggin' brain constipation there. Damn it.
I'm sitting here watching it snow, thinking my round of golf tomorrow is going to get whacked. This is
Yeah,
total bullshit.
you might have to switch to snowmobiling.
Not happening. I'll just play with a fucking pink ball.
Pink ball. Just don't eat the yellow snow, dude.
Yeah. Learned that lesson. It is blowing right now.
Wow.
This is crazy. What a mess. What a mess.
Epic's thinking Texas. I mean, Texas is kind of central, a little bit kind of central to a lot of folks.
Yeah, but we got to make Casey put in an effort.
I know.
Can't
We
go
got
to
a lot
Texas.
of, yeah, we got a lot of people in Texas.
Casey has to travel too. Can't always get the easy way out.
Yeah.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
A lot of people got families and dogs and stuff. So what do you guys think of this idea? Maybe we just rent out half of an entire campground somewhere and just all meet up for a big camping trip on a weekend.
Hey,
That
dude,
way-
my idea of Nomad is a Hilton hotel. Let's be really clear.
Oh, come on. You can go on a camping trip.
No. I don't camp.
Well, you can grab a hotel 10 minutes down the road. We're gonna camp.
There we go. You guys have fun with that. I like hot showers and AC.
Well, KOA campgrounds have hot showers. Epic. All right, signing off. Have a good night, bud. We'll see you tomorrow.
You're due to get that rip up anytime now.
Yeah, well, now it's dropping out on me bad. I should have
I
taken.
know I'm still short.
Cooper says, "How about Vegas? Vegas got a lot of hotels for John
Dude,
over here."
I'll be there next week. You can meet me. Or week after next, excuse me. Gives you 2 weeks to plan, T-Coop.
It's probably too hot to go camping though.
No, but that's what pools and beer are for. course, Casey will be too busy posing by the edge of the pool. We'll never even get to talk to him. He's probably a celebrity there. They probably fly him in on the weekends for the pool parties.
Jeff had a headshot on the 3s.
I did not get that signal.
Me neither, but I haven't been in this workspace in forever, and I think if I remember correctly, on my 3s here, I've got the fib dots adjusted a little bit to only show me the bigger patterns.
Yeah.
That's probably why I didn't see that. Well, if only my stop down there was my target, I'd be looking pretty good.
All right. See how this works out. I'm still in a short, Jesse.
Still in a short.
Yeah, of course. I mean, when you have bad trade location, the only way to improve it is to get a worse trade location. But I'm stop hunting, so
I think what I'm going to do is put one more on here and then, let's see, move that to there, move that to there, and whoops, why can't I adjust the quantity on that? That's weird. Now let's we'll bracket that bad boy again, move that up there, move that right down there. Okay. Cooper, I have not seen that dude's channel. I've heard of him.
who is that?
0 Day J.
Well, that sounds like fun. I'm always good for a lottery ticket. Does he give out decent lottery tickets in the morning?
No idea. Cooper was just saying that he lives, where does he live? Vegas? Vegas. He lives in Vegas. All right. That's a pretty far drive for missile though, from Pennsylvania. I think we need to target somewhere a little more central to the country there. Let's see. Let me look at a map.
Haynes Valley.
I do not
That's
know
where we need
my
to go.
geography very well.
Just saying. Haynes Valley. That's in Missouri. It's pretty central.
Missouri? Did you just say Missouri?
Yeah.
I think it's pronounced Missouri.
Missouri.
Thank you, Legacy. We appreciate that. I am in my mid-40s. John too, I think.
Yep.
Bob,
40s are quickly coming to an end.
Yeah.
Bob's 37.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
I think so. I'm looking at a map of the United States, and I'm pretty sure that somewhere along the Nebraska-Kansas border is smack dab center. But I don't know how many folks we have up anywhere near there.
I don't think there's many folks near there at all.
Yeah, exactly. My eyes keep going back to Louisiana there, John.
I'm just saying, it's heaven. All right, I'm in profit again.
That'd be one hell of a drive for both myself and Missile.
But it'd be worth it.
Oh, yeah.
Get you some good gas station food. You'd never forget it.
Especially, yeah, my wife's
Get you a good gas station meat pie.
Yeah, the wife's been wanting to do a big, long road trip.
You should do the whole southern tour, sir.
Yeah, or Route 66 and then split off from there or something.
Just take the old I-10 and head east. All right, folks, do I just hold this thing? Stay stubborn.
Okay, so Legacy's 24. Casey, you're only 28, Casey? Dang. Jeff says I should have shorted 10 contracts. Yeah, tell me about it. I'm taking some heat now that I added that second contract. I'm about to kill the trade, actually. I'm not liking this. We'll see if it bounces from this resistance here. Or, I'm sorry, this support level. I'll be okay, but if it breaks through here, I'm done. I'm going to close it. Casey's 57 going on 29. There you go.
Don't tell his girlfriends that. They believe something totally different.
It's them glutes. Oh, all right. It broke through there. I should kill it.
Because it keeps stealing all the horses' steroids.
Look at that, though. We're bouncing out of a PRZ or a... well, it's no longer a PRZ. It's a reversal zone, but I don't see a label. What is that? Looks like a shark pattern to me. Am I wrong on that?
No, that's not. Yeah, that's not.
Oh, is that a bat?
Yeah, I think so.
I think that's a bat. Let's see what happens. I'm actually going to put my stop behind that bat. There we go. Gotta respect the stop.
I don't disagree with you there, Casey. They are.
Also, since we're starting to wind down, I'm going to pull that target to a more reasonable... Let's see, we've been able to get up there twice. Probably right in... Let's go there. Just in case it rips up. Yeah, I bet you are.
Shouldn't be. Should be closing. But I'm not going to.
Hey, Adam, good to see you. Where the hell? Adam, you kind of came out of the blue there with the... oh, no, you were up above. Okay. 35. Adam's 35. All right. Man, I wish I was young like all you guys. Been there, done that.
All right, target back down at 550. Which ensures that it's going to turn around and go long any moment now.
Look at the channel on the 9s. We still haven't really got down into the bottom third of that channel. That's crazy. Or I keep calling it the third, but it's the quarter, bottom quarter of that channel. Okay, now we're starting to push a little bit into it.
Come on. Just go hit my target.
Oh man.
Harmonic NQ on the 3.
It's gonna hit my stop. Oh boy. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. I'm out.
I'm holding. Shouldn't be. I should be looking for an exit here, but
So now that we're down in that channel, let me look for a signal. Let me switch this to my triplet super trail. Because Adam says if you want to have some fun, why not? I'm on sim only, folks.
I'm firing live bullets over here.
Live bullets? I'm sim only, but I got my finger on the buy button here. We're down in the channels on the 9s finally. I'm looking for something to send this bad boy north. We're still in the no fiddle zone though.
I know I like a break out of the no fiddle zone.
Mm-hmm. I know you would. Your target's down there, right?
Yep. I mean, this will be the only 10th time I've tried to chase this target tonight. Would have been cheaper if I'd have just held on to the original trade.
What I'm trying to do is see this line right here, folks? That's an order flow line from earlier somewhere on the chart. If we can tap that, I'm going to give it a good push. My finger's going to push the hotkey. I don't know if the market's going to abide, but we'll see. Let me hear some more sellers, and then I'm going to kick them right square in the... Oh, it didn't even form a full bar. Come on, hit that line. Come on. Okay, there we go. Hit the line.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 9.
Keep coming.
Okay, we touched the Bollinger Band there. Turned it green on the 9s. Come on, give me some kind of order flow here. Oh, shoot. Don't tell me I just missed my opportunity. Don't you do it. Don't you do it.
Charts don't listen to him. He knows not what he's asking for. All right, I'm protecting my position. I'm in profit. Which means it's going to come back, stop me out, just like that, and then go.
Damn it. I was so close to hitting that buy button a couple times with my triplet ATM. Darn it. Oh. Darn it, darn
Lower
it.
bands touch NQ on the 9.
Fib dot on the 9s. Ooh, that's got a ways to go back up to the top of that pattern. I don't want to FOMO in now. We're halfway through the move. Darn it. Darn it, darn it. Oh. I would have loved to get a cross or something down there. So did it stop you? You moved your stop into profit, and did it hit you yet, or what are you doing
Yeah,
there,
it
John?
took me out. It took me out, but that
Well,
just means it gives me another opportunity to get short again. Pay the broker a little bit more in commission.
yeah.
I mean,
Well,
they've got to eat too.
I'm assuming. So you were down $130, right? I'm assuming you got that back.
Let me see where I'm at now. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I don't know if I'm getting slipped exits, but I've made no progress in the last 2 trades, even though I'm close to in profit.
Yeah, that's a bummer. I hate it when that happens. Well, what I'm looking at, guys, is over here on the 9s, you can see we've been range bound, right? And we just kind of stuck our toe down in the bottom where we've been many times. So I'm thinking it's going to keep wanting to push up here. We got this green dot on the 9s. I don't like these red bars over here on the 3s, though. There you go, Coop. Yep. I've been preaching that for a long time. One contract. Every once in a while, I'll add a second one, but it's a lot safer to just stick to one. That's for sure. In fact, with that being said, let me change this. I don't know what I was thinking there. Let's go to my single big trail. Let's give this a shot. Let's give it a shot. Let's see what happens here. I think we're going to get a little bit of a push. Although the channels are red, you guys can see I'm clearly going against my own trade setup here. Channels are flattening out over on the 9s, although still green. I'm just thinking.
This just feels like it's flagging. I mean, that's what it feels like to me.
Yeah.
Am I wrong?
No, you're right. So a couple questions, right? So we're range bound for sure. It's a flag. How much longer are we going to stay in this range? Because if we are, this should make its way back up to the top of the range at some point here. I mean, we just came back down to where we've been numerous times. So I'm thinking, why not try to get a couple trades in this range as long as we're in the range still? I really wish I had pulled the trigger on that down there where I hesitated and I just didn't do it. Should have. With my trails, I would have been out of this trade already, probably. Well, let's measure that. So let's say I got in somewhere around here. It got up to here. 27 ticks. Yeah. I think I probably would have been out of that. Ouch. Don't pull back on me. Get up there.
Painful.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think it kind of gave us our fun, and now it's not going to do much until London probably. It's kind of slow down.
There are. So I was just looking at the order book. If you look at the DOM, there's a ton of contracts above us.
All right. Well, those could be a target, or they could be just trying to push it down.
You got 242 at 590, like 364 at 595. They just put in another 50 at 600.
Wow, that's a lot of volume if those hit. Holy cow! For this time of night. Jeez. Adam, you need to get their order flow plus add-on package. It's $59 a month. Or I guess you could buy the
Buy a
lifetime Ninja Trader, and then you get that included for lifetime. There's no monthly fee.
You can also get volume profile through doing, like, I think Trade8 offers it. If you have Trade8 accounts, you can turn it on if you log into the Trade8 stuff.
But
Let me look.
You're talking about on the Trade8 charts though, right?
Yeah, you have to do it on the Trade8 charts.
Yeah.
Keep getting scared. I keep flipping back and forth between the stream and your charts, and are we gonna make a run for that liquidity up above?
Let's go.
Yeah, TradingView has it for sure. I haven't used it on TradingView at all. I do have a TradingView account. Admittedly, I don't use that for trading. It's just an easy way for me to view because I'm traveling so much. It's easier than logging into my trading station.
That's right, Adam. I've looked at a time or two, but I have one monitor, so I need to, once I can get back into my office space when the kids graduate college, I'll add some more monitors and get back to that. But I too like the idea of taking order flow trades, but only in the direction of, like, if we're heading towards some of those volume profile rotation stuff, right? Just one more filter, one more thing to kind of maybe keep me out of some bad trades or put me in some better ones, stuff like that.
Yeah, admittedly, Adam, I use volume profile pretty heavily in my trading.
Yeah, Casey, it's not a data thing. In fact, you don't need level 2 data or anything like that. You just need their order flow plus package. It's an add-on to one of their, I mean, I think I pay $4 a month just for the basic, because I only trade NQ. So I pay $4 a month for data. And then if I wanted all the order flow plus stuff, it's like $49.99 a month or something, or $59 a month, something like that. It's an add-on. Or like John always talks about, you could just buy lifetime Ninja Trader which gets you better commissions when you go live, and
Yep.
also provides you the Order Flow Plus package.
You can join the Cool Kids Club too.
Yeah, there you go.
I didn't know any better when I bought it.
Fib.NQ on the 3.
Okay, blue dot on the 3s. Let's go. Ooh, look at that push. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Go crack that Smurf dot. Come on.
We're in opposing trades again there, John.
I'm still in this trade. I guess it's not a Smurf dot. It's a lime green dot. But either way,
Well, mine's a Smurf dot on the 3s.
oh, I wasn't live. Never mind. Oh, there is a Smurf dot on the 3s. Look at that shit.
Now I got an Enigma short, a 22.5.
Oh, dude, you know what that means?
It means I'm gonna get out.
Double down.
I'm gonna get out at break even. I'm done with that one. I'm out. I'm not gonna trade against that Enigma.
I took it.
Yeah, I'm sure you did.
All right, targeting low of the day. Let's go. I don't know why I keep getting so stubborn with these trades. It is not going where I want it to go on the time frame I want it to go on. I should know better at this point.
Well, I mean, you got an Enigma working for you there.
I do, and I am in profit, so for now. This is brutal.
Yeah, it's pretty slow.
Come on. What's the target on that Enigma? 574. Perfect.
Yep. It's trying. It's trying to push there. Okay, Cooper, good night. Good to see you, buddy. Thanks for hanging out.
Good
We'll
to
see
see
you
you,
tomorrow.
T-Coop.
Yep. Yeah, we're going to call it here in a minute, folks. We're all getting tired, too. Let's all rally for this trade for John here. Let's go. Push down. There it goes.
Target.
Hit target.
Yep. I'm holding. Holding to the opposing signal.
Famous
Tell me when
last
the opposing
words.
signal comes.
Famous last words.
What's that? Hold to the opposing signal?
Uh-huh.
It's a trap, I tell you.
All right, Missile. Good night, buddy. Good to see you.
Hold to the opposing signal.
Oh, there you go. A couple more bars there for you, John. Good thing I killed that trade at break even. Woo-wee.
They're taking the $100 while it was there to take. Go crack the green dot. Go to the diamond.
Yeah,
Go
we
through
already
the diamond.
okay, we're piercing a blue dot on the 6s, just so you know.
Yeah, I can't see any of that.
Yeah, I think it's break
Unfortunately.
instructor. Yeah, I think it's gonna drop out for you, bud. I think you got this. Let me zoom in on my 6s here. Hold on. Yep. Blue dot officially pierced. You're good. I think it's gonna go. Let's go. I'm hearing sellers.
Fortunately, again, I should have taken the $100 while I had it. Keep coming. Hold to the opposing signal. I mean, that's a picture perfect enigma.
Whoa, 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 whoa. There you go. There you go, dude. Get out of there. Get out of there,
Lower
John.
bands touch NQ on the 9.
No opposing signal.
I'm a sissy compared to you, man. I'd be out right now. Woo, nice
No
drop.
opposing signal.
Okay, there you go. Green AO. Green AO.
I'm out. I'm
yeah,
out.
there you go. Woo, nice trade, dude. Oh, that made me pucker up for a moment.
Although that's going to be a continuation out of there.
I don't know, man. Look at the range we've been in on the 9s. I mean, we're definitely at the bottom of the range now. I think it bounces from here.
It's going to keep pushing, watch.
Legacy
We
got
go up
that
past
short
it,
with
come
you.
back through the middle of it. I'm going.
Good job, Legacy. Good job, John. Nice trade, guys.
Thanks.
I am so glad I got out of that at break even when I did. I mean, I didn't even lose $1. Oh, man.
Let's see. All right. Push back up.
That's interesting, Adam. I never thought of doing that. I think John used to do that.
What's that?
Puts the harmonics and the fib dots on the 1 and 5 minute candle charts, so you can kind of see what the patterns that, you know, quote unquote everybody else is looking at. I think John didn't you
The
tell me
only
you
time I've ever run the harmonics is on the I mean, I've put them on the 1 minute chart. I've put them on a 5 minute chart. I don't really love them there, but I do have them on like a 30-minute chart.
Gotcha.
On a volume profile chart. I used to carry them on that, and that was actually quite interesting.
Gotcha.
They don't play out as often, but when they do, pretty epic.
Hey, there's Vinny.
Especially if you're trading them.
I think Vinny heard you calling out hold to the opposing signal.
Dude, that's what you have to do. That's the way this stuff works.
Yeah. So, Vinny, if you were watching, I don't know if you were just listening, but let me measure that real quick. These guys just got this badass trade. Let me measure this Enigma. Oh, Jesus.
I like that Enigma. It's the old
I hit the wrong button. Look at this bad boy. 61 ticks, baby. Let's go. Oh, nice drop out there.
Yeah, I got a great entry on it. And
good trade, Legacy.
Better
Good trade.
exit.
Create a
right.
new playlist of live streams. There you go. Great idea. Did you get another trade there, John?
No, I'm not. I'm not. It
Okay.
would have to pop back through the middle of this cross.
Yeah,
Middle
yeah.
back through the middle of this AO for me to get short again.
Legacy.
I've got
I'm
you-
half asleep, brother. I am half asleep.
glad I exited where I did.
Hell yeah. Remember, I was thinking because we came back down here to the bottom of this range we've been in. We got that
Yep.
cross. I said it's gonna
Double delta
bounce.
NQ on the
Oh,
3.
there's a delta shift.
Ooh, I should be getting short right there.
It just crossed back through the middle of that cross there.
Yep.
But
Unfortunately, I'm on the wrong window.
you got a delta shift going here though.
True.
That's funny. Vinny shows up right when you were like chanting it. Hold to the opposing signal. Hold to the opposing signal.
Well, that's what you can maximize the profit on those trades, right? It's just it's hard mentally to I say it's hard, but you watch it play out and it shouldn't be hard. I mean, I admit when I do use them, there's a lot of times when it just blows through my targets, and it's.
You know what's funny?
You don't even have time to move them.
Let me scroll this chart back. Look at this Enigma back here too, folks. Look at this. Remember we were talking about this one earlier. It
All
drops
the short
down.
Enigmas.
Look at that. Exact same play to an AO. I mean, it's roughly the same size too. Look at that. Boom. Boom. I wish the ICT people were in here tonight watching these plays.
Dude, wasn't it funny the night they were in here trolling and all those Enigmas were just firing off and they were just nailing move after move after move? That was priceless.
Hella funny. They're like, yeah, but if you take every single one of those dots, and we're like, we wouldn't do that. A dot is just a dot. You got to look for confluence. Although, they kind of shut up after all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, Vinny says that's why you got to chant it out loud.
The Legacy's baiting them in with the pink poop again. Here they come.
Oh, there's your dropout. Ooh, I'm hearing the sellers.
Yeah,
Whoa.
that's it crossed through the middle of an AO. You can get short again.
Yeah, they tried, but it stopped them in their tracks. So we had a bunch of buyers right there.
Touch NQ on the 9.
Okay, it's gonna go. Here's the low of the session. Hold on, let me hit control. Scrunch this up a little bit. Yeah, it might be wanting
it's
to
like
go down
35 ticks away.
It's gonna push the lows, I think. Legacy's baiting them in. Let's go. Those schmucks don't even know what they're looking at. Yeah. I tried to teach them. I was killing them with kindness.
I love how Bob has it in the
in the title.
the stream description, stream title now.
ICT members welcome. I love it. Oh, Jesus.
So funny.
I told him he should name the stream Algobox plus ICT concepts. That'll really bring the fucks over. Yeah, that's what we were thinking, Vinny. I don't know what happened that one night because they haven't been back at all, and there was like over 40 of them over and over and over all night long. One night only, I guess. All right, let me fix my chart here. Yeah. Oh,
This is gonna keep pushing. I should have held that target all the way down.
I'm here. Well, you held to the opposing signal. You did the right thing.
Yeah. This is gonna push to that 550, and then oh well, it was a good trade. I can't complain.
Hella good trade.
I was never upside down on that trade at all.
No, I mean from where the Enigma fired all the way down to that target, or down to the bottom there. What was it? I can't remember now.
61 ticks or so.
Yeah, 61. Yeah. Oh, all right, folks. John, you gonna stick around, or should we say our good nights here?
Well, it takes you about 15 minutes, so you might want to get started.
Does not.
Give me a minute so I can get logged in.
Yeah.
To YouTube Studio. Now I have to go to the other window to do that.
Oh boy. All right, so for everybody who's hanging out, if you haven't yet, hit that like button. It helps Bob, helps the channel, helps Vinny, helps Algobox. Let's pay it forward, so they say. And obviously,
Lower
thanks
bands
for
touch
hanging out with
NQ
us.
on the
We
nine.
love hanging out with you guys. So thanks for being here night after night, making it a fun place to be. Great trade
Absolutely.
tonight. Great trade tonight, you guys. You guys killed it. I did not. You can see my P&L there. I'm down $315, but that's okay. That's okay. I'll get it back first thing in the morning. Actually, I'm going to try to be very careful tomorrow, first thing in the morning, actually, since it's April 2nd, and we all know what's happening on April 2nd.
It's Liberation Day.
Lower bands
Liberation
touch
Day.
NQ on the
Who
nine.
knows what the hell's going to happen, right? So this is the first time I'm ever trading through a day like tomorrow. So I'm going to be very careful. I'm going to try to get my 315 back, though, that's for sure. Oh, boy. Thank you, Vinny. Thanks for the like. Thank you all for the likes. Thanks for being here. And let me see. I want to make sure I'm not missing anybody here, missing anything. Freedom. Freedom. Yeah. There you go, Adam. Oh, you have a good night, too. Yeah, 2 hard days in a row, maybe a candy morning. Let's fingers crossed for that, Vinny. Fingers crossed for that. Yep. But everybody be careful out there. We don't know what the hell's going to happen with all these tariffs and everything going on. I'm hoping we get a nice big push up. That's the type of market I like to trade, but that's just me being selfish. Anyways, thanks everybody
Honor
for
your
being here.
stops, folks. Honor your stops.
Honor your stops. Don't do like me and be an idiot moving your stops all over the damn place.
Honor your stops. But get green, stay green. Hopefully everybody has a great day. I'll pop back in tomorrow if I have time. But you guys take care. For Bob and Jesse. Jesse couldn't do it without you. You guys take care. Have a great night.
Yep. You too, John. Thanks everybody. See ya.